So today we are opening a new. This is a new unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. So and I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I appreciate it for all the support. And let's go ahead and open this thing. So put my camera down. Put my camera right here. And then okay. All right. So good. Okay, so that's what the inside of this thing looks like. Okay, so, oh, wow. And, alright, so I had to stop the video because, there's like a lot of styrofoam or wherever that stuff is, it was all over this device, so okay, so let's go ahead and open this and get this guy out. So put my this right there. Oop. The phone just fell right out. The phone just fell. Okay, let's open this thing off. Alright, so Alright, here it is. Check this out, guys. It's a so this is the most rare speakers and most unique speaker I ever seen. Like oh my god, this is like actually my first time holding it in my hands. And it does look a bit more beige. But I've seen these in white. I actually have seen these in a Mexican restaurant, one time, and I seen one of them got replaced, but one of them were still intact. And technically, I think these are really old speakers. I think they look like they were made in either in the 60s or 70s. I'm not really sure. But this speaker is called a J.W. Davis speaker. And this is the back of it right here. That's the logo right here. And they were from Texas. Yep. And I think this is pretty cool. They're actually they seem very common in Texas when you see these around, but back in the day, I seen them get replaced. They get replaced so quickly, so yeah. So comment down below if you see one in the building. So yeah, because these are one of the most uncommon speakers. So yeah, let's take a good look at it. So this is the front of it, and this is the back of it right here. We got some little screws. How do you get this thing out? Okay. Oh, it's a magnet. That's why. Okay. This is the back of it, and this is really, this basket looks like it's in perfect condition. Even this thing, it looks, the baffle looks more shiny than I thought. This is actually, it's not metal, it's plastic. And yeah, this is not metal, it's plastic. Just letting you guys know. It's pretty cool speaker. I like the ring in the middle. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, these are pretty cool. And we got some wires that goes into it to transform. I don't know what watts it takes. And it says it right there. It takes, this transform goes into 20 watts. Yeah. So that's the review of this J.W. Davis speaker. I I always wanted these in my collection. So I think they're really cool. Like, I only seen these in a building once. But so yeah, that's the review of this J.W. Davis speaker. Thanks for watching.